Are you having trouble understanding how to rent a residential property? Do you want to learn more about your rights and responsibilities in relation to a landlord in Turkey? This video will explain the main points about renting a residential property in Turkey. All refugees who have a valid ID can rent a residential property in Turkey. To rent a living space, you need to have a rental contract between you and the landlord. According to the law, a rental contract can be a written or an oral agreement. However, to be more secure, it is better for you to have a written rental contract lease agreement. There are some important things to remember when you sign the rental contract. Make sure you are dealing with an authorized agent of the landlord or with the landlord directly. On the rental contract agreement, always make sure that your personal information is spelled correctly. Also, make sure that the agreement clearly and correctly states the address you are renting, the starting date, duration of the agreement, the rent amount, form of payment, the present condition of the rented property, and the security deposit amount. Also, make sure each party signs every page. After you sign the rental contract, you have to declare your address change to the District Registry Office within 20 working days, and to the Provincial Directorate of Migration Management Office in your city. As a renter, you also need to transfer the utilities to your name. You are required to pay heat, water, electricity, and environmental cleaning tax. The landlord is responsible for paying for any necessary building repairs. But you are required to pay for daily costs to the building, such as cleaning the stairs. If the monthly rent is 500 Turkish lira or above, you must pay the rent via bank transfer and always remember to keep the receipt after each transaction is completed. In the rental contract agreement, you may be asked to pay a security deposit. By law, the security deposit cannot exceed the equivalent of 3 months of rent. You are due to receive the security deposit back after your rental agreement is complete, if there are no damages found. If you have a dispute with your landlord which you cannot resolve among yourselves, you may wish to consult with a lawyer. If you cannot afford a private lawyer, you may approach the bar association in your city where you are registered and request legal aid. This video is solely for informational purposes, produced by nonprofit Refugee Solidarity Network in partnership with Refugee Rights Türkiye.